Understand my problems here, viewer. Right now, the PC community online thinks about as highly of anyone interested in buying an RTX 4080 as they would about the German Gestapo. But on the other hand, I kinda need content, but hey, for the standards of the RTX 4080, the ASUS TUF RTX 4080 Gaming OC is about as good value as they get. Sort of, kind of. Because seeing how it only costs a tiny and definitely not exorbitant amount of $1,400, it's still one of the more saner RTX 4080 choices out there. Starting off with performance, the card boasts a 90 MHz factory overclock, or even more if you enable the special performance mode. That is actually a pretty solid factory overclock, and the thing is that you have no problems taking it even further because this card offers a lot of cooling. It is a quad slot card after all, and it is much chunkier than even the base RTX 4080 Founders Edition. Combine that with the high performance fans, and you have a graphics card that can stay both cool while also showcasing the muscle of the chip inside. And seeing how it is a quad slot card, you can expect GPU sag to be an issue, especially seeing how at the back, unfortunately, ASUS only decided to use a whopping 2 PC brackets for support. Though thankfully they did provide a bit of a solution, seeing how the card does come with an anti-GPU sag bracket, so hey, that's something I guess. But let's quickly go back to the back of the graphics card. Because, yeah, I don't think I even need to say anything anymore. You can probably see what I'm happy about. The fact that there are 2 HDMI ports on this graphics card. Which honestly, I shouldn't even be happy about. That should be the bare minimum for a graphics card that is so expensive. But the industry is so messed up right now that I count this as a win. And for you fans of RGB out there, well, this card does have RGB, a bit. And that's pretty much all I have to say about RGB. Anyway, did anyone expect the ASUS TUF to be one of the best choices of this generation? Because I certainly didn't have it on my RTX 40 series bingo card. ASUS TUF cards have always seemed like this option for people who are too scared of ASUS ROG graphics cards and want to seem more special than the baseline ASUS cards. But this thing is actually pretty awesome overall, if you can stomach the additional $200 you're paying for it. But yeah, if you're really mad enough to get an RTX 4080, then well, this is about as good as they get. But if you still want to buy this graphics card, then make sure to use Amazon links down in the video description below. And hey, whilst they're here, if you want to support the tech journalism we do here, then make sure to check out our Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks as well. I'd also like to thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan OKB, Jason Rage, Ella Roniak, Bartosz Velka, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, and Jesse Herdman. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Down here you can find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.